if you're a PM who's never worked on an AI feature before, when would you be going through this evals process and when wouldn't you and how would you be using it?
Yeah, that's a good question. So if you've never worked on an AI feature before, I would actually try to find somebody who can help you through this. This is deceptively simple. I made this really simple because we had 45 minutes today. But and I don't know why it's so complex, honestly. I had many, many conversations with people about how to build evals, but there's just something kind of like taste-based or nuanced about how to build them. And, it is what it is, but find somebody who can help you. But I would say you start from the beginning. Is like you are building an AI feature. Like, I don't know, I'm just making it up. You work at Pinterest and you want to have better image generation that doesn't look like slop, that actually pleases users. So it's like an image generation feature. You need to think about from day zero, what does success look like? What is unique about those Pinterest users? What do they want to see? And you need to translate that. You can't just write down a PRD and say they want beautiful kitchens. You have to explicitly define what a beautiful kitchen is, and not in words, in examples, and a way to score those examples. And I am not in the image generation space, so I don't exactly know what that looks like. But there are many, many, many examples like this where you need to understand what the user wants and translate that into prompts and responses and a way to score those responses. And that is the first thing you should do when you're starting to build a new AI feature.
I hope you enjoyed that short clip. You can check out the full episode here.